Hi there, and welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson, and today we're going to walk you through a 2024 Aviara 32. So they call that the AV32, 32 foot in length. Great cruising boat for all the lakes that we have around here in Minnesota. So let's take a look at the outside. You got the nice, rich, dark blue on the outside with the white accent on the hull. As you can see, it's got the nice hard top with the Aviara logo. You've got clips for your fenders that you can clip on the side. There are some really cool lights, so if you're ever backing the boat up to a dock, there's some backup lights that turn on, and they're LED and they're really cool looking. So down here on the back by the platform here, we got a beautiful swim platform, very large swim platform. With the soft sea decking on here. Feels really good on your feet, dries off incredibly fast. And then we have the hydraulic swim platform underneath here. So if you're hanging out, you can press a button. This will go actuated down into the water. Just another place to hang out with everybody. You also have a boarding ladder on this side. And then there's plenty of stuff to see on the interior. So why don't you join me aboard? All right, welcome aboard this AV32. First of all, I want to show you the back portion here because this is a really cool setup. Nothing like I've ever seen on many other boats. So really cool idea here if you're hanging out with a bunch of friends and family, just anchored out and enjoying the water. We've got 3 seats here with backrests, and those can be closed all the way down, all the way around, or just lock them in place. And then we have 3 bar stools. So if people are sitting up here, and then you have other 3 people sitting right up here. So really cool setup, something totally different. If you're just hanging out, there's cup holders down in here. So it's a different thing that most people don't have. So pretty exciting about that. In the walkway, I've got some buttons right into here. This works your platform. It also can turn on your entry lights. So if you're coming in and it's a little bit darker out, you can turn those lights on, a little bit easier to see, and then just turn them right off as well. Underneath my feet right here is a storage area for some fenders, so keep them out of the way, but a really cool area to just put some fenders. And then the last thing I want to mention is the shade up top. So if it is a warm day, a little bit too warm, you can pull that shade out. Everybody that's kind of sitting around here can be underneath that shade, and there's a button right at the helm. You can hit that button and we'll close it right back up as well. So lots to see on the interior. Why don't you join me aboard? All right, welcome to the cockpit of this AV32. Wanted to show you right away the entertainment area. So we've got a very large sink area right here. Obviously you can see the sink that can be pushed down or the way up. You've got some spots in here for some different bottles, wine bottles, or whatever you want. We have a little basin in here. This can be converted or optioned out to be a grill. And then in here for this one, this is storage, but you can option it for a refrigerator. And then the last door we have here is a pull-out trash can, sorry. And then those all go down, and you do have a nice prep area as well. So really nice area to entertain your guests. And then your guests can be sitting around this L-shaped seating. So that goes all the way back around. As you can see, it's got a nice teak table that can be lifted up and stowed away. And then if it's a cooler day outside, all these seats right in here are heated. So you have these heated seats here, and then the 2 seats right here can be heated as well if you'd like. And then you can also turn on the heated vents. So on those early season and late seasons here up in the north, really nice to have that, that ability and that option. So why don't we take a look at the helm area? Big fan of the way this helm is all situated. Obviously you got the just beautiful steering wheel, looks really cool. You got the A right into here, so really futuristic looking steering wheel. And then up here we've got 3 different screens. This one right here is for your Ilmore engines. You get all your information on the engines right there. And then we do have the SIMRAD right here. So you have some different things that you can use within the SIMRAD, a chart. You got navigation, you got instrument information. So tons of information that you can use right here at your SIMRAD. And then we got the really cool screen on this side where you have access to your windlass, your sunshade in the back. There's some cup holder that are coolers down over here, and you can turn those on. To open up your engine compartment, you've got a button right here. And then you also have your swim platform lock, so you can unlock it and deploy the swim platform. And then the heaters are right up in here, and you can turn those on and off from right there. And then you have all your lighting. There are dock lights on here. There are the aft dock lights that I showed you earlier. Those are controlled from right here, along with accent. You got courtesy, you got hardtop, and then you have underwater lights as well. And I can change the colors to anything I'd like, or if you just want to go white, you can just go with the white. Otherwise, you have RGB. And then as far as the stereo system goes, you've got speakers surrounded through the cockpit, up in the tower, and then up in the bow as well. And that can all be controlled right here. Obviously, it has Bluetooth, pretty much everything you need right up here at the helm. All right, we're going to show you the head. So this is a nice head unit in the 32. Well appointed, very deep. Got some storage in there. You got a sink in there. Real nice to have on, obviously, a 32 footer. So we come up to the bow via the port side. And what I love about the Aviaras is they're very deep in the bow. So very safe, very comfortable ride up here in the bow. Again, you've got seating all the way around. You've got storage underneath the seats. You got some storage in the floor, cup holders, access to the radio up here, and then also access to your windlass anchor underneath here. So the AV32 is an awesome day boat. Bring all your friends and family. Great place to hang out. Got everything you need for a full day of boating. So this boat is here at our Rogers location. If you'd like to come take a look at it, you can stop on by anytime or give us a call and we can set up an appointment just for you. As always, please click the like button for this video and click to subscribe to see all the videos that we're putting out every day. Thank you.